Salita.
Hi, my name is Roselo Santos. I'm 12 years old. I'm living in Paraná. Nag-iiwan ako sa biyahe ng baklang matigas sa Paraná. And I thank you.
Okay.
Asan mo yung boses mo?
Tapos, okay. Outro. Yan ang outro. Labas na. Labas. Second contestant.
Ayos mo ka.
Okay. Pagkain muna natin yung mga dadaan.
Ano ba yan? Daming alam.
Okay, go!
Hi, good afternoon to each one of you here. Standing in front of you, my name is Ben Sroor. I am freshly 25 years old. At nag-iiwan po ako ng kasabihan, mahirap magpakalalaki kung di po tayo tunay na lalaki. Mahirap maging tunay na babae, lalo't hindi ka naman tunay na babae. Mas gugustuhin mo pang maging Diyos ang kagaya ko, lalo't alam mong Diyos ka sa sarili mo. And I have this advocacy, stop spreading HIV, sexually transmitted disease, and AIDS. Meron din po akong motto sa sarili ko, my body, my life, my rules, my restriction, and I am limitless. Dennis Roar, this is simply the Dennis Roar. Meron pa rin po, add on that, there's more. Pwedeng tapikin, pwedeng kausapin, huwag lang titikman sapagkat ito ay biyaya ng Diyos na nagmula sa langit, ibinaba sa katauhan ni Elvis Salonga kung bakit ngayon siya ay isang Diyosa sa katauhan ni Venus Roar. And I would love to say, thank you judges, thank you! Rampa out, no?
Let's go.
Cut! Given a chance to win in this competition, what would you want to be? A man, a woman, or a transgender? At dapat baguhin natin ang boses. You would be given a chance to win this competition. What would you want to be? A woman, a man, or a trans woman? And why? Okay. Why I say so is that? Because if I would have given a chance, pero mga 15 minutes pa or 1 minute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if I would have the chance to live this in this world, I am empowering all these people surrounds me that perhaps being a transgender.
Dapa, para maganda yung kuha.
Okay? The transgender signifies is what we call beauty inside and out. Imploring and inspiring of all these people to motivate into this what we call equality and motivate them to be who we are as beautiful inside and out. And that would be all, judges. Thank you. And by the way, I am aiming to pass the bill, SOGI bill in the Senate for what we have, this what we call equality in our society. And that would be all. Thank you so much, judges.
No.
Thank you. Kamusta yan?
Okay. Sound.
Yung talent portion ko is, saka na yung talent portion. Oh, no, nga. Saglit lang. Isang stick lang mo.
Okay.
Pero babayaran ko ito ngayon din, ha? Okay lang.
Ano?
Babayaran ko ito ngayon din, ha?
Isang yosi.
Isang yosi lang, tapos isang pulang. Balik utang ko na sa'yo, 50 na, ha? Okay. Pasinda ko, be? Pasinda ko, be?
Meron dyan pa. Meron dyan.
Dapat kapalan yung mukha nyo, marami pa kayong kakaining bigas para matuto. Tsaka huwag kayo mahiya. Bakla na rin naman kayo, i-push nyo na yung pagiging Diyosa.
Wala naman kayo, ilantad mo na.
Ilantad nyo na, hindi kagaya ko kung kailan ako di. Tsaka ako ngayon naghahabol ng exposure. Mas lighter ka, ma?
Kung wala.
Thank you.
Pag bakla mo, ilantad mo na.
Thank you, Te, for the support. O, di ba? Meron tayong pang Reels ngayon. Yun ang aabangan nyo sa Reels.